Still a long way to go. This BMW i7 was once the pinnacle of electric luxury. Today,
it's been forgotten.
So today we are going to review one of the best, as I've heard from different creators as well. We're going to review one of the best AI video generator, and I'm really happy, I'm really excited for this very moment, because I just want to try out for YouTube Shorts and also for long form YouTube video generation as well. Hello ChatGPT, I want you to give me some prompts I will use to create a 2026 BMW i7 car restoration, a rusted BMW i7 that has been abandoned in a garage in an abandoned building. Go all over again and create a video, and I will just say general. So just describe it here, and this is it here. So I can select any of these. So they have a link, camera control and effects. So they have a different option right here. We have a ink speed, we have open AI Sora 2, and we have a Google video. Actually, most people do use this Google video because of the precision of the video and actually the sound as well. It don't match, and it's difficult for most people to tell when they see Google video Siri, when they see its video, and it's difficult for them to differentiate it from actual video. So we are going to choose this one right here, which is the latest one right here. It's really eye-catching and mind-blowing due to the sync of the voice and also the visuals as well. The sound and the visuals, they match together, and it could be difficult for one to tell between an original video and AI made video. So let's dive into it. We're going to click on it right away, and we're going to take our prompt. So I use ChatGPT to help me with the prompt. So I'm going to copy, Control C if you're on laptop, and just copy just copy and paste if you're on Android or other iOS devices as well. Here, just paste the prompt. As you can see, guys, on the screen, we're having the image generation, which we have currently here is like the BMW i7. Currently, as you guys can see, is the grill, the headlights, and everything. Everything is just perfect. It's actually HD, and you can see the engineers that are working on the mechanics that are working on the powertrain parts. This is what we have for the image generation. Instead of this, I'll be doing a video, an actual video of it with real sound. You guys will feel what I'm trying to explain to you. And let's just click on Google Video 3, and we are going to, this is our script right here, a cinematic ultra realistic 2026 BMW i7 electric luxury sedan restoration scene. The car is heavily rusted, dust covered, and abandoned inside a dark, decaying underground garage located in an abandoned industrial building. So it's just to give you an idea of, just to give the AI an idea of what you think inside your head, and just to bring your imagination into reality with a single click. As I do it, it won't take much of our time, and it just takes a few seconds. So we have the shot, or the opening shot of the BMW i7, and the video is currently ready. We have it is actually a duration of 8 seconds, 720 pixels of quality. You can also increase the quality of the video to HD, which is 1080 pixels, and the aspect ratio can be increased also. It can be changed from 9, can be changed backwards to 9:16 for YouTube video shorts or TikTok videos, and we're also having an audio. So let's play and see what our video is having. So when I click on the play, and let's watch and see what we're having.
This BMW i7 was once the pinnacle of electric luxury. Today,
it's been forgotten.
This BMW i7 was once the pinnacle of electric luxury.
Today, it's been forgotten.
No longer. So what you guys can see right here is that it's just like 8 seconds of the video, and like it's really like mind-blowing. So how do we make like a complete video of it? So we are going to have like different scene of the BMW i7. We're going to have a different scene. So we know we use ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is just going to like break it down for us. So since we are using this first option, which is the video generation of it, not short, we are using long form video. So we are going to tell it, ChatGPT, we are going to paste the script back here. So we're already having our first 8 seconds. So I want you to create a scene for me for the next 8 seconds again, which is we're having 16 seconds of it. So I will paste, I'm going to paste the feedback I got from it, so you know where to start from and where will be our next endpoint. It's going to give me the next 8 seconds, making it our first 16 seconds like I said before now. And I'm going to paste the new prompt is going to give me back into Google Video Turing the script for the next part of it. So I'm going to paste the next prompt for it. So I'll just select this all and just like copy and paste. When I copy and paste, so what I'll just do next is just for me to remove this part of it and just like remove these other parts that are not needed. So I'll just play this off. So okay, no music, nothing at all, just the audio and like sound of the video. So I'll just click on generate again. We are going to use, okay, is this long? So actually I'm just going to reduce the whole entire character. So I'm just going to copy this and tell ChatGPT to reduce it down to 4,000, to reduce it down to 4,000 characters. So I'll just do that quickly and see what our results will be, if it will be far better than what we are having before. Right now we are having our second video that is ready. Our next 8 seconds, making the 16 seconds video is ready, and let's play and see what we are having.
Still a long way to go.
It's already having an hook at the end of towards the 6 to 7 seconds, when this man right here, just like the head of the company, is telling the worker like we still have like a long way to go to finish the restoration of the BMW i7. This is what the video generation look like, and we are going to try something else again, which is the other one I promised you guys, to bring an image into reality. So Zeekr 8X. So it's just a new vehicle that was released by this Chinese brand, and it's already having some images already, but we're having almost no image of it. So we're having one already, just like a prototype of it. So I'm going to save this one right here, save image. So I'm going to save it as a JPG file and save. So for this particular part of our AI, so I'm going to click on image right here from the drop down menu, and you will see a lot of options to choose from. Click on sketch to image. We're going to select this one right here, and when you click on it, and we are going to upload media. We are going to download our Zeekr 8X. We are going to click on it and click on open, and okay, just read through and agree on it. Just click on agree and continue. After we click on it, then we're going to generate it. So there are different options for us to select here. We're going to select we have realistic, cinematic, anime, commercial, we have horror. So we're just going to leave it at realistic to see what we are going to have, and we're going to click on generate video. So after playing around with this particular inch AI video, after playing around with the AI video generator, I was able to come up with the image after playing around. So after playing around with the AI, I was able to come up with like a good video of this Zeekr 8X. So if you guys notice, it's just like an ordinary image, which is like ordinary photos that was here, but as soon as I uploaded it onto the platform and I just uploaded it onto the platform, and just guess what, this is what we were able to come up with.
Strong, sculpted, and unmistakably modern, the all-new Aventro LX redefines what a luxury SUV can be. A bold vertical slat.
So one thing I noticed is like I was supposed to give it a name like the Zeekr. I was supposed to like give it more prompt, more command. It's supposed to be Zeekr 8X, and ask it to do more of it, just to talk about, because there were some specifications that were released about this vehicle. So it's supposed to sit around 5 to 7 passengers. 5, 6, and 7 passengers were supposed to contain this SUV, and that's what I was supposed to give to it, and it will like say exactly that in this particular video. It's not that bad because it actually showed the interior. If you notice, it showed the interior of the vehicle, and it's actually like it's almost too real for it, because this particular brand Zeekr is a brand that they are a fan of a bigger screen, touch screen, and as you can see, there's like a large screen that spans the entire dashboard, which this AI, which we don't really even like have an idea of, but this AI was able to bring it to reality, visual into a video. And the second thing that we actually did was like this particular, which is actually 3 projects in fact, because the first one created an image here, right here, which is the BMW i7 restoration, and the next, what we did next was like the video of it. For anyone that want to explore, want to know more about this, there's a link in the description. I want you guys to just grab this opportunity and like try it out, and let me know your experiences with it, and I'm sure you guys will be like really enjoy your time trying out this software. So let me know in the comment section what you think about it, and also if there is any other thing you guys would like me to also throw more light on this particular software, I would like to do so.